Press mode, then pad 5, which is record, to record the sample. Press the F6 button to start recording. Press stop F6 when done. Press play F4 to review. Press mode, then pad 6, which is trim, to trim the sample. Press chop, which is F5. Change mode to equally and number of regions to 16. Press do it, which is F5. The sample is broken into 16 regions. Press convert, which is F4. Set convert to slice samples, release to 10, and create new program to yes. Press do it, which is F5. Go to main screen and choose created program. Play sample across pads to create different variations of the original sample.